We are from the unknown crevices of America, the ancient dwellings molded by bear paw and painted by eagle feather. We are from
Beya kit hulko den
the
sha.
unknown crevices of America.
You have super matuchupak, ya bike you. You have super matuchupak, ya bike you. Super matuchupak, ya bike you.
We are from
The unknown crevices of America,
from the ancient dwellings molded by bear paw
and painted by eagle feather. We come from
Fort Defiance, 最后最
Havasupai, bottom of the Grand Canyon.
Sirdanakia, Itoy's birthplace.
Lake Valley. Beya kit hulko den sha.
From supple brown skin,
blood-stained fingertips and green eyes that foam the ocean's waves, from the bitter smoke of burnt cedar and sweetgrass,
dancing from the teepee.
I come from a water drum tied with rocks.
Vocal cord vibrations
Bounce to the sky from the people of the blue-green water.
The 600
riding ribbons of wind.
From a village adorned with green leaves.
Red rocks,
White walls.
yellow sun,
I come from walls chipped slowly,
painting a timeline of history
8 miles down,
from a dusty desert land.
where water is sacred blessing
Feeding the ground.
with life.
and religion.
From saguaro petals that open to offer the energy of chukni.
The jam
And jelly
Of our mother.
From the blistering air, my traditions.
that burns in my lungs.
As they struggle to inhale,
My ancestors' memories.
Beya kit hulko den sha.
from ancient homes,
Rooted into threads of chiseled landscape.
from petrified logs,
that sing the story of home.
In dust-coated voices. From smudgy mirage painting.
of blue sky and red earth.
Adeika. I come from the skin of sunlight
that pours over the oceanic skeleton of land.
From grandpa's medicine,
And grandma's sweet voice, from ancient convictions wrapped in colorful shawls,
protected by prayers,
from an abandoned hogan
on top of the world.
singing forgotten prayers,
to the stars
from rams roaming sketchy rock walls,
that hold my people's ancestral stories. From a mule train winding down to people breeding crops,
Of corn.
watermelon,
And pomegranate.
I come from the birthplace of people and water as one,
maneuvering a course of freedom,
down a path of hand.
Cleansing the canyon.
I come from Hudanikataño,
desert people's home,
filled with unshaped dirt in our Creator's care.
From young ones who learn,
We've our hands to build baskets.
And sing to Itoy, bless me.
bless us.
From feet that sway back and forth.
with the drum beats,
From baskets woven in ancient colored designs.
fluttering from our fingertips,
From clouds printing the sky.
with brown and blue waves,
Thundering stories from our past.
Adeika. Huande.
From the steady twirl of the wool spindle,
my Nellie's ageless hands coaxed to life, from color,
Bleeding through the Hogan stained glass window onto worn tiles.
from deep wrinkles of the land,
And of my Che's face.
we are from
Enveloped away seas, forgotten and overwritten by steel skyscrapers.
we are from
The spaces between swift weaving fingers.
We are from
the indigo innards of thunderclouds. We are from
beating moccasins matching the steps of raindrops,
From the ancient dwellings molded by bear paw.
and painted by eagle feather. We are from
The unknown crevices of America.
Henya goa goa gahinya.
Yahavsupat Matuchpag, the bike you.
Beya kit
Yahavsupat Matuchpag, the bike you. Yahavsupat Matuchpag, the bike you. Yahavsupat Matuchpag, the bike you.
molded by bear
One
paw
day,
and
when they close.
painted by eagle feather.